County in northwestern Georgia. Central Floyd County in northwestern Georgia. Southwest Bartow County in northwestern Georgia. Northeast Polk County in northwestern Georgia. Paulding County in northwestern Georgia. Southeast Haralson County in northwestern Georgia. Douglas County in north central Georgia. Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, until 2:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Rome, moving southeast at 54 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Rome. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impacts, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Rome, Cave Spring, Aragon, Rockmart, Cedartown, Taylorsville, Braswell, Hiram. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it will be too late to get to a safe place.